Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Optima brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Make sure you have your new brake pads ready. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engaging the parking brake. Then, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on before lifting the car. Once the vehicle is safely elevated and supported by jack stands, you can fully remove the wheel. Next, locate the two caliper guide bolts, usually found on the back of the caliper. Use a wrench to remove these bolts. Gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor. Be sure to hang the caliper securely to avoid stressing the brake hose. Finally, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Now it's time for installation. Before placing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool to push the piston fully back into its bore. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Apply a small amount of brake grease to the backing plates of your new pads where they contact the caliper bracket. Then, carefully slide the new pads into position and reinstall the caliper, tightening the two guide bolts securely. With the new pads in place, reattach the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Once the vehicle is back on the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm and consistent. This seats the pads against the rotor. Finally, take a careful test drive at low speeds to ensure proper braking function and listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.